Hey everyone, and welcome to this kind of part 2 of my organizing series. If you missed part 1, I will link that below, but basically I'm just organizing a few more spaces around my house, starting with our bathroom. And I basically did all of this right when we moved in. I just needed to organize it really quick. I didn't have a lot of time and I just didn't want it to be super messy, and it was never supposed to be a long-term solution. But 6 months later, it was still that way, so I decided now was the time to take everything out, clear it out, clean it out, and try to find some better ways to optimize my space. There was a lot of space up above that wasn't getting used, and I found these stackable organizers from Target from the brand Bright Room, and it's a new one that they have there. I had never seen anything from Bright Room before, but I really liked how it all stacked and I could just use some more space up because that space was, again, not being utilized at all. And I figured I could kill two birds with one stone. I could kind of show you how this Bright Room stuff works in case you're on the fence about it and you're not quite sure, and I can also see if I can get my space more organized. So just rely on me for the kind of review on these a little bit later, but until then, I forgot to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Bella. For anybody who is new here, first of all, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here, so glad that you're joining us, and I love making all types of mommy motivation, like cleaning and organizing and decorating and everything like that. So if that's your jam, I hope that you will stick around and be part of our amazing community that just hit 1,000 subscribers, and that is another thing I will be talking about a little bit later in this video, because I do want to do a little giveaway for you guys just to tell you how much I really do appreciate everybody here. But back to the organizing, what I like to do is pull everything out of the drawer, clean it out, and then put my organizers in without anything in it, just so that I can figure out how much space I'm working with. And now, as you can see, I'm sorting things into their drawers. I was able to better sort into the categories because I had an extra bin. I think I had 7 and 2 were pushed back all the way, and now I have 8 and they're all super easy to access. So that is a good thing about using the space going upwards instead of the space going side to side. And I will do a more in-depth tour coming up a little bit later in this video just to show you how I organized everything. But right now I am sorting my makeup into this new little threshold makeup organizer that I got, and I was initially going to put it on top of the countertop, but then we had another piece of furniture come in that we wanted, and I was able to put it in there, and you will again see that a little bit later. But I really love how this bathroom turned out and how organized it is, and Matt loves it too. He usually doesn't really notice or care when I reorganize spaces, but with this one he was actually really happy with how it came out and how his stuff is organized. So that could also be a mom win. And before I forget, because I know I will, make sure that you're following me on Instagram. I'll put it right here so that you know the giveaway date. It will be in February, but I don't know the exact date yet. If you can't tell what I'm doing right now, I'm sorting a bunch of hair bands, like little rubber bands. I was able to find a lot more by clearing out this whole space, and there was a ring that came in one of the little boxes with my hair bands, so I decided to just put them all on there, and then hopefully I won't lose them as much. And then I also had a lot of trash, so I'm going to be throwing all that trash away.
Now all my dreams are coming true. I just want to put my heels on tight, dance with you all night, move to my feet.
If you haven't gone through your bathroom cabinets in a while, I would highly recommend that you do that, because I consider myself a pretty organized person in general, but there was a lot of stuff that I didn't even know was in there, and that was like empty. Like there was an empty toothpaste bottle and stuff. I had no idea. So even if you were super organized, take a minute to go through that every so often, just a couple times a year even, just to make sure that there are no products that have either gone bad or that you aren't using anymore or that are just straight up empty.
Now I'm ready, 'cause I
one last time showing you what it looked like before and after. It looks so much better and it is definitely easier to use. And here is that other piece of furniture that I mentioned a couple minutes ago. I didn't know that it was going to come in time for this video, but it ended up coming in. So I wanted to organize this for you guys on camera, and it's super quick. And I just put our toilet paper and our like flushable wipes and stuff in there. And it actually worked out really well. It fit like 2 bags of toilet paper, so it did hold a lot. And I will give you a more in-depth tour in a minute when I do the entire bathroom tour. Alright, I wanted to give you guys just a super quick tour of everything since it's hard to explain when I'm actually organizing. So over here I put, oh yeah, and I also got my nails done if anybody likes nails. I got them done, but right here I put like candles and scents and stuff, and there's some lighters for the candles that we keep right there. And then this is kind of like spa night stuff. So there's bath bombs and face masks and stuff. This is like teeth brushing, toothpaste, flossing, all the dental needs are in that one. Here I put things, just they're super convenient. I put my deodorant and I put a couple of cotton swabs, some lotion, stuff like that, just right there and easy to access. And down here are like refills for stuff. I have some more of those cotton swabs for when I need to refill, some pregnancy tests, not that we're trying right now, but I do have some pregnancy tests there. Here I have some stuff that my best friend got me, kind of. There's some makeup wipes. This squeezes stuff out of products and stuff. Here's a brush cleaner. I actually need to clean my brushes. If you can hear Kennedy behind me, Matt I think is in her room cutting her nails, so I don't know if you could hear that. Apparently it's not going well. Here is hair stuff. So there's like my brushes, and these I use for when I do my makeup. That's a shower cap for if I don't want to wash my hair when I'm showering. And some like hairspray and stuff are back here. These pull out and I actually love these. And this stuff is kind of for Matt. It's his shaving stuff since he shaves his head. There's like razors and stuff down there. And then over here in our brand new organizer, I put my makeup and my straightener. That's stuff I use every single day. So, well, not every day if I'm staying in the house. Sometimes I don't do my makeup, but I usually straighten my hair even if I'm staying home. But if I don't end up keeping that there, I'll end up putting this back in my hair basket and that on the countertop. And I will end up using cleaners in here, but I'm not sure. But then I put our toilet paper refills there, and those are some wipes in case like guests need them or something, or we need them. They're just accessible and just down there, and they fit so cute in those little baskets. And if you're thinking about getting this, Matt did have kind of a hard time with the instructions, but it does look cute once it's built. And it seems pretty stable, but if you want the link, just ask, I'll give you that link. And as for these baskets, I don't know how they're gonna do yet, and I don't wanna promote any products that I don't believe in, so I'm gonna live with these for a little while, but I will link them if I end up liking them. Don't worry, you're never gonna have to worry about me trying to promote products that I don't believe in. But if you see these up on my like to know it, definitely get them, and if you do, thank you, because then we do get a little kickback from that, so I appreciate that. By the time this video comes out, I'll definitely know if I like these or not, so just stay tuned, and I will link them below if I end up thinking that they are worth promoting to you guys. Now I'm moving into Kennedy's room, and as you can see, her toy box was not closing, so I just wanted to take a minute to clear out some toys that she doesn't use anymore. I honestly ended up keeping a lot, but that is because she plays with them. She opens up her toy box and grabs toys out all the time. I didn't want to give away anything that she actually uses. So at the end though, her toy box does close, as you can see. And then I will show you the toys that I ended up getting rid of in a second here. Just a tiny pile, but we did donate them. Kennedy's bathroom was also in need of an overhaul, and also excuse all the outfit changes. throughout this video. I actually filmed this the weekend of my birthday, and there was a lot of birthday festivities going on, so I kind of filmed this in chunks and bits, and not everything is filmed in order, but I wanted to keep everything time-wise in order for you guys so that the video makes more sense. But now that that is cleaned out, I am loading some more of those bright room containers into her bathroom cabinets, and these are different as you can see, but they have openings, so they're not drawers, but you can easily reach in there and grab what you need. And I like it a little bit more because it's going to keep me more honest about keeping things organized, and I think that for Kennedy it'll be easier for her to see what she has, because I'm also trying to teach her about getting rid of things and seeing what we need and stuff. Like, for instance, I keep all of her bath toys in one, and if it gets too full, she'll be able to see that, and I'll be able to like talk to her about it, you know, about like how maybe we need to part with some. And also it's easier for her to see when she grabs her bath toys out for bath time.
Alright, so I did do a little bit of work on this off camera just because I needed some more space. But I'm just going to do a little overview tour type of thing. So over here is my sister's bin for when she comes over. It's like her shampoo and her stuff is in there. And then under here I have Kennedy's bath towels all ready to go. I can just pull one out. Down here I have soaps and soap holders. I actually have to put that with our Christmas stuff, but I put it there for now just to keep it organized. Over here is cleaning stuff. I also have a lighter right there for like candles and stuff. And this is gonna get locked, by the way, the locks are coming. And I have some Febreze and stuff. And then over here I have some more bath stuff, like her cute little washcloths and stuff. And then I have an extra scrubber. And then back there is the netting that I took off of the tub because it just wasn't working out. Down here I have her bath toys, and it's just easy for her to grab one before bath time. I think that would be really fun. And then in here I'm gonna keep spares of stuff. I need to get another shampoo for a backup and stuff, but right now I have another toothbrush in there.
I really hope that you guys enjoyed this declutter and organize with me. I had a bunch of fun doing it, and now I can go sigh a breath of relief. Finally, this place is under control. If you liked today's video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, please remember to subscribe and turn on your notifications, because it really does help my channel grow, and I really appreciate it if you do. Until next time, bye beauties!